Hello everybody, welcome to ZEROYON. On a previous video, I did a dyno of my stock 2022 Toyota Supra. This is the full fat version, the 3 litre GR Pro. Now on that previous video I did with my Supra, we determined that this car was running, despite Toyota saying it comes with 335 horsepower for the EU version, this was actually running 320 horsepower at the wheels, let alone the 335 Toyota advertised at the crank. And when it comes to torque, there was an increase as well over the stock figures. So we was getting 385 pounds of torque as opposed to 365, which Toyota say this car is capable of in its standard form. So I've come down to one of the top tuning companies for Supras in the UK, Garage Bits, and what I've had fitted is one of their in-house exhausts. Now this is an absolutely fantastic looking exhaust, complemented with blue tips, and as you can see, rather than all of the horrible bumps and uneven flow of the standard exhaust, this thing is so much more well built, smooth, and of course a larger diameter as well. But now I have fitted this super fancy exhaust, what I'm doing is making this video in collaboration with Garage Bits to see exactly if this new exhaust, as much as it sounds so much better, does actually give a performance increase. So what we're going to do is do the dyno run, and then of course at the end I'll reveal exactly how much power this new exhaust helped us make. Now if we look at the dyno sheet in more detail, we need to point something out, because if we take the peak increase, especially on torque, you can see it is not huge. However, if we do look in more detail at the graph from the before and after runs, so stock car versus with the exhaust, you will see that earlier on in the rev range, we've got around 40 pounds more torque in those low down revs where you really want to put the power down and of course accelerate. So there we go, the results are in. Fitting this exhaust onto my 2022 Toyota Supra GR Pro has massively increased the low end torque and give a reasonable gain without a tune in the top end as well. So that wraps up this video. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you're awesome, and see you again soon.